Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how we can add another owner of your workspace in Slack. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just go here and click this small arrow right here, and then go to administration and click on manage members. When you are here at this point, you want to have like someone here, account type. You are going to be primary owner if you are. And then you got like full member here. And what you want to do is just click these three dots here, change account type. And now you can add a workspace owner or admin. So yeah, now just press save and voila, here we got another workspace owner. So this is how we can add another owner in Slack. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.